Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Limited. The limited trim powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights. We have the heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and forward collision warning, column shifter, push button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. We do have the integrated agility braking system, lane keep assist, power outlets as well as USB ports, dual glove boxes, Bose audio as well, high quality audio all the way throughout the truck, and our leather heated and ventilated Sierra AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Trail Runner AT tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry all around, AT4 on the front doors, 6.2 liter V8 on the front fender. Vehicle does have the factory 2-inch lift up front for the AT4. Coming to the front, color matched bumper and grille, red signature tow hooks, recovery hooks as well as parking sensors, camera system, LED daytime running lamps and fog lights. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows as well as blacked out window trim. At the rear of the vehicle, we have a color matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. In-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, and a single pane sunroof. LED lighting throughout, dual USB ports, rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.